So welcome guys, today we are going to start the fourth sum of practice set 1.1 geometry. Is it clear? Similarity lesson. Now guys, you can just see the question which is on the board. See, ABC is the triangle given, angle APQ and angle ABC both are 60 degree each. Is it clear? And we have to prove that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. It's very easy. We can use BPT theorem here. आपण इथं BPT theorem use करू शकतो. But for to apply or to use BPT theorem, we have to know that PQ is parallel to BC. If this is true, if we can show that PQ is parallel to BC, then by applying BPT theorem, guys, we can show that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC, and it is very easy. How we will show that? Both these angles, both these lines are parallel. It's very easy, guys. See, directly we can show that angle APQ is equal to angle ABC, which is equal to 60 degree. Both the angles are 60. Is it clear? But therefore we can show that both the angles are 60. Therefore PQ is parallel to side BC, okay, by converse of corresponding angle. Okay, we have corresponding angle test. Got it? If both the angles, both the sides are parallel, then directly we can use now. Now guys, see, in triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. Okay, therefore AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC by basic proportionality theorem. Got it? That's the proof. The proof was very easy. Hope so you all got it. Okay, fine. Now guys, let's move to the fifth sum. What is given, guys? ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to PQ is parallel to DC. Means all the three sides parallel, they are parallel to each other. And what else is given, guys? AP is 15, PD is 12, BQ we have to find it, and QC is given 14. Is it clear? Now what we will use here, guys? You can just see. We can use directly. AB is parallel to PQ is parallel to DC. This is the given part. Is it clear? And which are the transversal here? Okay, AD and what, guys? BC are transversals. Got it? Then we can apply the properties of three parallel line and their transversal. If three lines are parallel, okay, then we know that AP upon PD is equal to what, guys? BQ upon QC. The last part I have explained you what is the property of three parallel lines. Okay, but therefore, guys, we will write AP upon PD is equal to BQ upon QC. Okay, reason, guys? Properties of, guys, three parallel lines and their transversal. Got it? Then see, simply write the values now. 15 upon 12 is equal to BQ upon 14, cross multiplied to 15 into 14 upon 12, BQ as it is. The calculation is quite simple. Now 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are, okay, and simply we will reduce it. 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 35 7s are, 5 7s are 35 upon 2, which is equal to BQ. So therefore, what is BQ, guys? BQ is 17.5 units. Hope so you all got it. Okay, so what we have used here, properties of three parallel lines and the transversal. It is very easy sum. I hope so you got it. Okay. Okay, fine guys. Just see the seventh sum. What is given in the figure? AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF, and BF and AE are transversal, and values of BD, which is 8, DF, which is 4, AC, which is 12, and CE, which is X, are given, and we have to find X and AE. So here also we can apply, guys, properties of three parallel lines and their transversal. Got it? Now same, guys, again first mention that AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. First mention it. It is a given part. And next, guys, BF and what, guys? AE are transversal. Okay, then what we will write? We can write guys then BD upon DF is equal to AC upon CE. Is it clear? Yeah, AC. Reason, property of what guys? Three parallel lines and their what guys? Transversal. So simply put the values now. 8 upon 4 is equal to 12 upon x. Cross multiply guys. So the next step will be 8 into x upon 12 is equal to 12 into 4. 8 multiply. So next step will be 12 upon 12 into 4 upon 8. Then reduce it. 4 1 za, 4 2 za, 2 1 za, 2 6 za. So finally what is x guys? It is 6 unit. And then we have to find AE also. So what is AE guys? AE is AC plus CE, as the points are collinear, A dash, C dash, T, and simply put the value. Now what is AC? It is 12 and C is 6. So finally what is AE guys? It is 18 units. Hope so you have all got it. Guys, the sums are quite easy. Okay, such types of sum comes in the exam for 2 marks. Okay, so prepare it well. Just remember the property which we are using in each sum. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Okay guys, now let's move to the 10th sum of the exercise. It is very easy, activity based question ahe. You can just see what is given in the triangle DEF. PQ is parallel to DE and QR is parallel to EF. ही information दिलेली आहे and we have to show that PR is parallel to DF. हे आपल्याला proof करायचं आहे. And guys, एकदम easy आहे guys. Simply we are using BPT theorem here. Now guys, just see in triangle DXE. In triangle guys, see DXE. PQ is parallel to DE. Given. Got it? In triangle DXE, PQ is parallel to DE. Then simply we will apply BPT theorem. So BPT, as per the BPT theorem, XP upon PD is equal to XQ upon QE. XP upon PD is equal to XQ upon QE. Got it guys? Reason, basic proportionality theorem. Got it? On the similar basis, again in triangle XEF, in triangle XEF, QR is parallel to EF. So again guys, QR is parallel means again we will apply BPT theorem. XQ upon QE is equal to XR upon RF. Got it? Again, basic proportionality theorem. Hope so you got the blanks. Okay. Now what you can see here guys, just see guys, XP upon PD is equal to XQ upon QE. Second part मध्ये XQ upon QE is equal to XR upon काय guys? RF. So from one end to what we can see guys, see XP upon PD is equal to XQ upon QE. Again the XQ upon QE is repeated here. XQ upon QB is equal to XR upon RF. So from 1 and 2, if this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side, means both these sides are equal. Hope so you got it guys. See, लक्ष द्या guys. हा proportion ह्याला equal आहे आणि हाच proportion इथं आणि हा proportion is equal to this proportion. नाही म्हणजे हे दोन्ही पण एकमेकांना काय असणार equal. तेच पुढच्या ब्लॉक मध्ये लिहायचं. But therefore what we will write? XP upon PD is equal to XR upon काय guys? XR upon RF. Got it? From 1 and 2 means what? In triangle XDE, XP upon PD is equal to XR upon RE. हे दाखवलं का नाही? हे दोघांचं proportion equal आहे. if दोघांचं proportion equal असेल तर त्याला जी जॉईंट होणारी लाईन आहे that is parallel by converse of BPT. Hope so you got it. समजलं का तुम्हाला guys? Okay, easy sum. Okay, fine. Okay guys, now just see the 11th sum. Okay, it's just a word problem. So using that question, we have to first construct the figure. What is given guys? In triangle ABC, BD bisects angle ABC and ray CE bisects angle ACB. And what else is given? AB is congruent to AC. AB is congruent to AC, it is given. Guys, the sum is very easy. Simply we have to use angle bisector property. Okay, see how we will use now. First, in triangle ABC, just pay attention, guys. In triangle ABC, we can just see BD bisects angle B. Is it clear? The first point. In triangle ABC, BD bisects angle B. Therefore, BD bisect करते म्हणजे काय? AD upon DC is equal to AB upon BC. Angle bisector property. AD upon DC is equal to AB upon BC. 1. Angle bisector property. Hope so you got this step. In the same way, guys, now for this bisector CE. Again, guys, in triangle ABC, ray या CE bisects angle C. Is it clear? CE bisects angle C. Again, guys, getting it now? For this angle now, CE bisect करते हैं. Therefore, AE upon ED, AE upon EB is equal to काय guys? AC upon BC. Angle bisector property apply करा. समजते का guys? दोन्ही ठिकाणी simply angle bisector property apply केलेली आहे. What next guys? See, AB and AC are equal. म्हणजे हा AB आणि हा AC equal दिलेला आहे. That is the given part. Now guys, just see. Just observe 1, 2 and 3. What we can see is that, see guys, just see the left hand side of both the equation 1 and 2. AB and AC means AB and AC are equal. From 3 guys, you can just see AB and AC are equal. Therefore AB and AC are equal and BC and BC are common. Got it? Means in short, LHS, right hand side, both the proportion of right hand side of equation 1 and 2 are equal. Got it na guys? See once again, AB is equal to AC means AB is equal to AC. From equation 1 and 2, AB and AC are equal means both these are equal and BC is common. Is it clear? Means right hand side proportion are equal. Therefore left hand side will also be equal. Therefore AD upon DC is equal to AE upon EB. Got it? And from 1 to n. And if AE upon EB is equal to AD upon DC, then by converse of BPT theorem, हे ऑलरेडी प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये दिले असतील तर त्यांना लाईन जॉईन होणारी जी लाईन असती दॅट इज पॅरलल टू थर्ड साइड. तो कन्वर्स ऑफ बीपीटी ED इज पॅरलल टू BC. होप सो यू गॉट इट. कळलं तुम्हाला हा थेरम? हा सम कळलं का गाइस? ओके, इजी सम आहे, इम्पॉर्टंट सम आहे. होप सो यू गॉट इट. ओके.